Ted Metz. Yes, sir. If you've got a few minutes, and just tell us briefly why you're here.
I believe that I can make this rather brief. Okay. I am Ted Metz. I have studied microbiology, biology, organic chemistry at the University of Georgia, and nursing at DeKalb College back before the turn of the century. And so I'm here before you today as a scientist, talking as a legislator. Right now, Georgia recognizes other states' driver's license, concealed weapons permits, and all these other things under Article 4, Section 1 of the Constitution, which is basically the reciprocity clause. Can you at least put into your bill a clause that recognizes all of the legality granted by other states to patients from other states who are in Georgia? Because it seems natural to do that since we're already recognizing their driver's license and their concealed weapons permit. Why not allow in the bill or sneak it into some other bill that's a must-pass legislation to allow
well, that never
other states' patients to be fully recognized with full immunity from the criminal code of Georgia? That's my simple request.
Okay.
Any questions on that? Because my other point is that in this whole debate, it seems like we're focusing more and more on why should we legalize medical cannabis instead of what the real question is, why was it ever illegalized in the first place? And I'll stop there.
Okay. Any questions for Mr. Metz? Mr. Metz, thank you. Appreciate it. We'll sure take that under advisement. Thank you. Yeah. You have a question? One question.
Is there a specific condition that you're talking about that is not on this list?
All I'm saying is that other states' medical laws for a other state's patient should be recognized in Georgia with the same full immunity from any Georgia statute that the person from the other state with a legal card would enjoy in Georgia. And to make that case, there was a recent case in McIntosh County, a man named Pereira from Massachusetts with his legal medical card was pulled over and charged with possession. He went to court. The judge said he's doing something that's legal in his state, and he dismissed the case, which is proof to Article 4, Section 1 of the Constitution actually being the key piece of legislation that would allow you to offer reciprocity to all other state card holders.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Metz. That's your question. Okay. Angela Simmons. Oh, I'm sorry. You had one more question.
That begs a good question. Let's say someone from another state that has a medical cannabis card, and they're going to the beach. Their family is in the car with them. They're headed down to the beach. They come through Georgia. They're pulled over, and they have what is considered to be appropriate in their state. They're licensed from their state, and they get pulled over. What would happen in our state?
Unless they have a low THC oil registry card issued by the state of Georgia, they would be in illegal possession of the product.
But they can carry a firearm.
Yeah.
And we consider...
There is no reciprocity in our bill, in the current law.
So a family coming from, let's say, Minnesota, driving down to Florida, they have a child with them. It doesn't matter. They have a family member. They have or to visit family in Georgia, to come and spend money in our state, which is what we ask everybody to do.
Yeah.
Would be in possession of a medicine recognized in their state, licensed in their state, would be arrested in our state.
They would have the potential of being arrested for carrying an illegal product. That's correct. So it's clearly something we need to look at and debate in this committee. And Mr. Metz, I appreciate you bringing the point up.